She's like, I want to eat. I'm like,
Not gonna lie, I kind of had a feeling. I don't know. I just had a feeling.
Why?
Why?
Because the texts that I sent.
Well, it was weird with him, but then you said, oh, that's weird. I thought he was just kidding, so I was like, okay.
I'm just weird.
I don't know.
Well,
Turn
So
on.
you're still surprised, right?
Yes. How do you turn
Here,
it
right
on?
here.
does it have
There's your
remote?
remote.
Could you imagine you guys were in here for 20 minutes? I was like, they can't sit here while you eat.
I was
Go
wondering
make your
where
bed.
you were.
Oh my God, no. I could be doing
You can-
that.
That's
You
awesome.
can do a bunch of stuff with this
It
TV.
just doesn't have a box
By
yet.
drinking and doing cocaine.
I love it. Oh my God. I
No,
can't
okay.
wait to go to bed and watch
It pulls off the
TV.
Never get out of it.
Hey Morgan, it pulls off the wall and angles.
We just need to
You
figure
just
out
pull
what
it-
the
pull it
wires
toward
and make
you.
sure these clear up.
Many people thought
Alright, let me
Vito
get
was
it.
under the influence.